Hello guys, I'm Kuan from Key TV. Today I'm going to do a new teardown video of Casio fx-570ms. The calculator is working fine, you can see that. Yeah, it's working fine. So I'm going to tear down this calculator. Well, we have 5 screws holding the back, so we have to remove the screws first. Well, you can follow my video until I taking out the screws, or you can see the screws. Well, you can use a normal screwdriver, a small screwdriver, or a spectacle screwdriver that we are using to adjust our specs. So that screws are small and it can be used with this calculator. These screws size are very small, and these screws can be used, or they used in some laptops, because the laptop screw size is similar to the calculator size. So we have done. Pull up the back cover. Well, it's pretty high. Careful with the buttons, because the button may fall. Where I think so, you need a blade or a card to remove this. You can use your screws too. That's not coming out. Well, put aside the screws. Well, you can see here, it's coming out. Well, you can see I've opened the back. The back cover is just plain. So this is the motherboard of the keyboard. I think they have sealed the motherboard with a in front of the cover like that, so we cannot take it out easily. We have to sacrifice our calculator to break the sealed, because they have sealed 4. You can see here, they're sealed 1, 2, 3, 4. They sealed the motherboard with the buttons. Well, this is the digital screen. We cannot take it out too. Well, we can fix it back. Well, that's all. It's nothing. The calculator is working after the teardown too. You can see that. Well, in my last video, when using fx-350ms, we are eligible to remove the motherboard because they've been using the screws for the motherboard. So we can easily take out, but be careful with the buttons when you're using an old edition of this 570ms. Maybe this is a newer edition of 570ms, so it may be they have sealed, they have upgraded, but in the older version of 570ms, they're using the screws for the motherboard to hold. So that's all guys. Fix it back. The teardown is done. Thank you for watching this video. Like my videos, share my videos, subscribe if you're new to my channel, then turn on the bell notification for the future video. Thank you guys.